It's about noon. I've watered them and moved some things around again, and I would like to just know who allowed this evil sunshine to come out so bad. I get out here and the turkey's laying down like, hey, it's hot, and this is the first time they've wanted their showers. Like, they usually always love showers, but they cooled down, so they didn't want the showers anymore. They just walked away like, hey, I'm not in the mood. But today, no, they wanted those showers. They're looking at the water hose like, hello, where's my shower? Filled their big water. It wasn't entirely empty, but it was low, so I filled it up good. Got the eggs out, and I sprayed out their coop stairs pretty good. And the rooster was not happy about me messing with his coop. Three fluffy butts over there, one in the trees. Oh my goodness. And I was thinking, I want to fill in that hole that they're in right now. They'll probably enjoy when I move the dirt around and find more buggies in it. They found a couple of grubs already today. It was very exciting for them. Oh, there's flowers. Look, they got purple flowers blooming over there too. They'll eat that. I'm glad out of all the stuff we took out back here that those flowers are still there at least. My lilies didn't bloom much this year. Maybe next year I'll finally get roses. I don't know. The rose bush just doesn't do flowers. He's so cute. He's so tall. So it's going to be hard for me to see the screen because it's so sunny. It blacks out on me. So hopefully it doesn't get messed up too much. And yeah, I've been going through and looking at old videos. So I'll be uploading a lot more of the chick videos I never got to upload. And I think it's really crazy going back and seeing them now, like how much they've changed as they grew. And it was really funny when I posted earlier. It was, every time I called the roosters a her and a hen, like knowing now that they did grow up to be boys, is just kind of hilarious. It's like, I kind of called it though. I was like, who knows? I could have 3 roosters here. And sure enough, I had 3 roosters there. Oh, dear. I'm feeling guilty about the roosters I still have with no hens, and especially today, like, they're talking a lot when they're eating, and I'm like, they're trying to call hens that they don't have and tell the hens to eat the food that they found. He's doing it right beside me right now, and I'm like, oh. But if these hens come up to him to steal his food, like, he wants to fight them. So I don't know. Saying he can sweet talk with fresh food that he found. Can't take on that big bad boy. Oh, I gotta get hens for 3 roosters still. And he said he could take a few more hens. Yeah. These ones don't keep him busy enough. No? They do? Okay. Well, hopefully next year I'll have some of my dream breeds. I'll be able to afford to buy him the lavender Orpingtons I always wanted to go with him. And I want some Brahmas for Caddy. And then I need some Silkies and Polish to go with Marshmallow. And Berry. Oh, you poor little... I don't know what to do with Berry. I'm not sure I want more barred rocks. No. I don't. It's so funny because when I picked the chicks out and he was telling me to pick them, and I'm like, they're not the breeds I wanted. I don't know anything about these. And I was like, well, if I had to pick one, I'd pick the one with the dot on its head. Ugh. And we didn't know what breed it was because they were all mixed up. And now I know if it has a dot on its head, it's going to be barred. So that's when I picked a barred rock. And we thought that the other black one that matched it was going to be the same breed, but it wasn't. And he was twice the size. Once they grew, you never know. And they're all mixed up. Don't know what to do. So, Buffy has decided to stop being out and about and gone back to her nice little dog water pool, which I filled the bowl over there, the party bowl, up nice and fresh, but she's still in this dirty one over here. It's kind of too small for you, girl. Sorry. I'm not calling you fluffy, I'm just... You're kind of fluffy. You're the fluffy butthead for a reason, okay? She's like, you have your nerve, woman. It is hot, and you're picking on me. You're so cute, baby girl. Alright. That's about all she's doing. She's like, it's too hot. I think no? I only got 3 eggs out of it, and I didn't get my eggs yesterday. So either nobody's laid this morning, or they didn't lay yesterday. She was up there in the coop when I came out though, so maybe she didn't lay yesterday and she laid today. There's only one of her eggs. Let me see. Actually, maybe not. Maybe there are 2 of her eggs. And one of the other girls did not lay. I can't see if this is showing it. I think it is. But yeah, there's her. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. So 2 of them are her color. So it was like one of the other girls didn't lay yesterday. And the other 2 need to still lay today. Alright. You did good, girl. You did a good girl job. Hi. What are you running out here for? Did you have something? Well, they didn't chase her. We don't know if she did get a worm. She's underneath my chair. And And there is a hawk circling above. I see its shadow when it goes in front of the sun. I don't like it. Hey, don't fight with him. Oh God. Hi, buddy. We're not doing nothing. Nope. Your woman cannot get to that other rooster. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Yeah. Buffy's gotta come out now. She's gonna talk to him about it. It's like, was that hussy cheating on you? Was that hussy cheating on you with that tiniest rooster around? That's the smallest rooster in the neighborhood. She ran over there to him. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know, that bowl is empty. I got the cup of food right here. You have hen scratch on the ground. Like, I want my food bowl filled with... Well, last night she didn't get her pellets for dinner. They had another mix. I gave them mealworms and sunflower seeds. She's like, I want my pellets. I think you're addicted to that stuff. I think it's like sugary cereal or something. Oh, she went to go peck at the watermelon and the ants. The ants really like watermelon. And now what you gonna do, baby? Yeah? Go join your family? I think they're all four back there. Yeah, they're all four back there. Alright. I'm gonna get on out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. Did we want to look at the turkeys real quick? Let's look at the turkeys real quick. Disregard this a lot of water hose. Turkeys are just laying down in the shade, so. Are you gonna get on your ice chest? No? Some more food. I don't know what this view looks like, man. Alright, peace, love, and turkeys, y'all. I'm out. Hope everybody else is cooled.